Hi guys, it's bonApartments. So if you arrive at Warsaw Central train station and you need to come to our hotel, so you can see this is Warsaw train station Central, and you need to cross the road here and then go all the way straight here. So let's go. Okay, so you can see now how far we go. So there was Warsaw train station. Here we can see the monument, and here is Palace of Culture. So now I need to go this way. Let's stop here. So you can see it's Palace of Culture. We came from that way, and you can see here's building Coca-Cola on the top, and here's Bosch on the top, and McDonald's on the top. So we need to go down to the way to this building Bosch. It's Street Święta Krzyska 35. So let's go. And now we'll cross the road here. Then we will cross the road here. Basically what you need to do is just follow that long building Bosch. So this is your map where you need to go. So let's go. So again you can see that we just follow to this building, so you can just cross the road here and go this way and cross the road there. So we'll see you there guys, where the Bosch is. So guys, we came from there where it's Palace of Culture, and as I said to follow this building, long building, where it's on the top McDonald's and from right side Bosch. So basically we need to cross the road here, and I will see you there. We just came from that long way from this Palace of Culture, as I said, to follow that building, long building. So this is the entrance to this building. Here's Costa Coffee, here's McDonald's. Just go to this little arc, and this is the door to the building, entrance to the building. So you need to press the button here, so the door is opened, and here you need to write the number of our reception, which is 156, and you're just waiting. As you can see also the street, Święta Krzyska 35, room 156. So we're waiting for someone who will open to us the door. Hello, and the door is open. So here you need to go to 18th floor. So you just go inside the elevator, press 18th floor. The door is closed.